goats, and more. Unfortunately, there was no strawberry pickup that day, but they said that later there would be some. There are so much chickens and they're allowed to go anywhere they want. If you listen, you can hear the rooster call. There is this big pen and there are goats, turtles, and other things there. There's also a pig that's allowed to roam free and you can feed the animals. There's also a teeny baby pig. There are also white cute bunnies and there are some games you can play, like going on tires with boards like these. And you can swing on these. There was also a tire there, but I'm not sure that's for games. There's also a humongous bonfire with some logs around it, more like stumps, to sit on. They give you marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolates, and you can make whatever you want from those, but most likely it's going to be s'mores. There's also live music. There are also food stands around the farm. There's also a hayride that costs $5 per person. You can also ride a pony there. It's $10 for each kid. It was this that I most enjoyed. They give you a silent tour around the farm, and even though it's a small farm, it's a little bit long. There are also covered places where you can eat your food. They're made out of wood. They also hung lights everywhere, on the trees, the pavilions, the games, the food carts. It was very crowded and some people weren't wearing masks, so we didn't spend much time there. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!